How to turn off someone chats with me notifications on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off someone chats with me notifications on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and now click these 3 points here in the bottom corner and then go down, click settings and then click notifications, and now just go down here you will find this one. Someone chats with me. Click on it and then click save, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.